Hi kids, welcome to Bona Pikinini. Today we're gonna learn how to say the names of different kinds of foods in isiZulu. In Teach Me isiZulu. Food is ukudla in isiZulu. Ukudla means food in isiZulu. This is a banana. How do we say banana in isiZulu? Ibanana. Banana is how we say banana in isiZulu. Let's see what we have next. It's an orange, right kids? Well done. How do we say orange in isiZulu? Iwolinki. One more time. Iwolinki. And what is this? This is a watermelon. Yes, you got that right. A watermelon is ikhabe in isiZulu. Ikhabe. And this is a lemon. How do we say lemon? Ilamuna. That's a nice one, right? Ilamuna. And how do we say apple in isiZulu? An apple is easy. Iapula. Right? Iapula. Well done. We're doing great. Next is eggs. What are eggs in isiZulu? Can you guess? Amaqanda. Amaqanda are eggs in isiZulu. Let's keep going. This is a piece of meat, right? And how do you say meat? Meat is inyama. Inyama means meat in isiZulu. This is water, right? Water is amanzi. Amanzi means water in isiZulu. You're doing great. Let's see what we have next. Yum. Bread. How do you say bread? Isinkwa. Isinkwa is bread in isiZulu. Well done. This is corn, right? Yummy. How do you guys think we say corn? Ikolweni. Ikolweni is corn in isiZulu. This is a pawpaw. Have you ever had one? It's really nice. A pawpaw is ikungutela. That's a tricky one, right kids? But we can do it. And how do you guys think we say pear in isiZulu? This is an easy one. Pear. Let's keep going. This is a tomato, right? A tomato is called utamatisi. That's really easy. You can remember that. Utamatisi. These are peanuts. Peanuts are amantongomane. One more time. Amantongomane. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember, right? What's a tomato in isiZulu? We just did that one. Utamatisi. And a pear? That's another easy one. Pear. All done. I knew you'd get that. And what's bread? Bread is isinkwa. Very good. And how do we say water? Amanzi. Yeah, I knew you'd get that. How do we say corn? Corn is ikolweni in isiZulu. Well done guys. Join us next time for more lessons on Bona Pikinini. Bye!
If you've enjoyed our videos, please like, share and subscribe to Bona Pikinini for more African Kiddies content.